over here.
Over there?
Hmm?
Far-fetched
Oh,
land.
3k over here, yeah. Inland is summer. So
I'm gonna go past the snowball millie.
no, you're gonna come to VMC because I'm about to push 50 cans. What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god. Trying to kill me or something.
Oh fuck man, fully.
What's Stories over hill, 25%.
Yes.
What do you want to do?
I'm gonna die now. There's a guy slashing zombies.
You just kill him. Kill him in the face.
There's two guys.
Kill them both in the face. You're only 2.8k. If we both run towards each other, it's 1.4.
Can you please die?
What's up? I hear those shots. Nice kill.
No, I have nothing, my friend. I'm gonna smack you in the face.
Nice shot.
No.
Come on. Oh no.
Dude, I was out of ammo. I was like stun locking him.
I think there's